Flour.
Okay, wait, it just started.
Yeah, man. Water after. Enough, plenty water is spoiled. Little bit of water, man. Jamaican flour. Understand?
What are we having?
Flour.
I know, what are you making though?
We're making a dumpling. We use knead the flour and turn it to dumpling. Jamaican. Yeah, and we're gonna have ackee and saltfish to eat the flour. Jamaica, Jamaica. This is the rice. I'm gonna come and cook for you. I'm surely gonna come and cook for you. For real.
That would be a good show.
Yeah. Yeah, that's for real. They're gonna have some good food from the Rasta guy, Bobo. Yeah. Yeah, man. When you come in Jamaica, you have to eat ackee and starfish and flour.
Bobo was trying to get there, so anyway.
Eh?
I don't get it.
Get the dirt off. Yeah, man, this is it. If you don't do it this way, it can't taste good. Yeah. Nails must be short, no germ. My lad, I say bad. Yeah. Alright? Yeah, man, this is it. Now send a pattern to the world.
Where do you want to cover your
This
copy?
to the world.
That place.
Yeah. I'm gonna show you how to make the dumpling.
You just put me over. Hey.
This is the way to make the dumpling. Proper way. The pot is boiling up, waiting on it to cook. We have to do it fast.